Hi everyone, and welcome back to SIC Forex Trading. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I want to say thank you to everyone that is helping this channel grow. I appreciate each and every one of you. So in this video, I will show you how to set up Dark Venus on a small trading account. First, we are going to register for a trading account by using our full name and email address. If you don't already have a broker, feel free to take a closer look at FBS Online Forex Brokers. One of the main reasons I've partnered with FBS is they offer a cent account, which perfectly suits those who are just starting out on their Forex journey. Now, what this means is you can start from an initial deposit of $1, spreads from 1 pip, 0 commissions, up to 1 to 1,000 leverage, and a maximum of 200 open or pending positions. Now, a cent account is a trading account on which the balance is displayed in cents and transactions are carried out in cents as well. It means that if you deposit $10, you will have 1,000 cents in your account. Trading on a cent account is low risk, therefore it is an excellent choice for Forex novices. Moreover, this type of account can be an attractive option for us experienced traders who want to test new strategies. The cent account allows people to trade smaller lot sizes and open an account with a lower initial deposit than any other account. To open the cent account at FBS, you need to make an initial deposit of only $1, less than you pay for a cup of coffee. Now that we've registered for a trading account, and after you've made your deposit, under promotions, you'll be able to access your 100% deposit bonus. The 100% deposit bonus gives you a chance to increase your profit 2 times. To activate the bonus, select the account and then press activate bonus, which means if you make a $20 deposit, that you will receive a $20 credit. Or in other words, a $2,000 trading account with a $2,000 credit. So on our MetaTrader platform, you'll see the balance of 2,000, which is the initial deposit, and the credit of 2,000, which gives us a total equity of 4,000 to trade the market. Now, not only does this give us double the opportunity to increase our profits, it also gives us an opportunity to wiggle a little bit more. So now that we have the account set up, we're going to go into Strategy Tester and create our first set file for Dark Venus. So firstly, we are going to select a custom period. This is going to be for the Euro USD on 15 minutes. Next, we are going to change our initial deposit to the equity amount of 4,000, and we will leave the leverage at its highest. Next, we are going to the inputs for Dark Venus, and the only change is the money management to 1%. So now it's going to download the history, as it is the first time we are running the program on this terminal. And once it has completed the download, we can look at the results of our first backtest with a 1% risk. The results show a profit of 369.32 in the period tested, with a profit factor of 6.76. We have a balance, or a relative balance drawdown, of 0.27 and the overall equity drawdown was 1.7. Now that we've tested the money management, next we are going to set our stop loss. It is very important to always have a stop loss, and Dark Venus gives us different options. I'm going to set a percentage stop loss at 5% to give enough breathing room for the account. Now we've seen similar results, and what we're going to do next is take these and test them against the 6 different strategies for Dark Venus. So you'll see the different type of Bollinger Band strategies, and there are 6 of them in total. And now we're going to run an optimization test on the 6 different strategies with the inputs we've selected. So the results for the optimization show 3 profitable strategies: sell above, buy below, downtrend buy, and cross down central band. Now all these 3 strategies were profitable in the period tested, and I'm going to select sell above and buy below, which is perfect for reversals and pullbacks. So you see the periods of drawdown. Now these periods of drawdown are when Dark Venus is using its martingale function. Next we are going to optimize a different take target for the first order. Again, we see the results for this test showing that false in the circumstances would give us the lowest drawdown. Now, to get back to the martingale function, what I would like to do is do a visualization test. Now, what this does is it will show you on historical data how Dark Venus would work in a live circumstance. Now, what I'd like to do is I'm going to fast forward until the end of the strategy test, and we'll see Dark Venus functioning over multiple days and generating a healthy profit of 369.32. Now the cost averaging system means if Dark Venus takes a buy as an example and price continues in a sell trend, it will open another position. Now next we are going to save this version of Dark Venus as our first set file that we will be forward testing on a live account. So Dark Venus set 1, and this is going to be for the 15-minute time frame. So now that we've created our first set file, I want to show to you how to attach it to a chart. So firstly, we are going to close all of the windows so that we can increase the processing power of the computer. Next, we're going to open the chart for Euro USD, which we will be trading. And we're going to adjust the time frame to 15 minutes. Next, under Expert Advisors, first we're going to enable algo trading and then attach Dark Venus to the chart. Under Inputs, we are now going to load the set file that we created for Dark Venus in our strategy tester. So all of the settings that we have saved for inputs will now be transferred to our Dark Venus. And the little blue hat there shows you that it is running actively. And we can see that algo trading is enabled. Now that we have created a set file for a small trading account, we need to forward test our strategy on the live market. I have moved my set file and trading account onto a virtual private server to avoid mechanical failures like internet interruptions and power failures. So this is Dark Venus trading on the live market on our FBS real account. And here we can clearly see the martingale function that Dark Venus uses to achieve a high win rate. So you'll see the first order was placed at volume of 0.02 in the sell direction. Then Dark Venus opened another sell order at 0.04, and then lastly another one at 0.06, which is currently running in profit. So you'll see, even though the trend moved against us, it started opening orders still in the same direction. Now this spike in the market was because of news, and now we need to define our strategy and see what times are we going to trade. Are we going to trade through the news, which can be a high risk strategy, but this is dependent on each individual trader, and this now gives us the opportunity to start fine-tuning the set file moving forward. Now the rest of the series I'm going to keep running our VPS, and we can adjust the set file to its optimum results. So we have the trading results for the first day, and we were able to achieve a profit of 11.96. You'll see it entered 3 different series of trades, and each of these using the martingale function to close. Now if we take a closer look at the trades, so I'm going to look at them individually on a 15-minute time frame. So there we had the first entry when we crossed outside the Bollinger Bands, which was entered at 0.02. As the trade went against us, it opened another order at 0.04, and then finally at 0.06, which are the 3 levels that was entered for this specific trade. Now during fine-tuning, we can see that price continued, and we were actually able to get additional points, 3 pips, for this trade. So now we are going to fine-tune our set file for Dark Venus. First, what I've adjusted already is the spread. So I've changed it from a maximum spread of 500 to 50, because if the spread is more than 5 pips, I don't want to enter a trade. Next, we're going to adjust the new take profit from 50 to 70 to be able to capture a little bit more of those moves. Now it is important to understand that different strategies perform well during different market periods, and that using the right strategy at the right time will increase your profitability. This was a little bit of a longer video, so I want to thank everyone for taking the time. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, and like if you enjoyed the video, and feel free to check out this playlist for how to trade Forex robots for beginners. See you next time. Bye.